Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today's video is a video all about Artisan Electrics' brand new VW Caddy that we've installed a fully bespoke Sortimo racking solution in. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Artisan Prima amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So the team at Artisan Electrics have designed a fully bespoke Sortimo racking solution. We're actually joined by Jordan himself, owner of Artisan Electrics.
Hello, nice to be here.
So obviously last time we were working on one of your vans was I think 2019 when we worked on the Ford Transit racking system that we did. I think you've still got that on fleet, haven't you?
Yeah, we have, and you did such a great job that we decided to come back and get you to do 2 new vans for us.
And we are back again. So the VW Caddy has a completely bespoke solution. I mean, it's literally, even Sortimo on their online configurator couldn't actually do what we've done, and we've tailor-made everything to make it fit into the vehicles exactly how you want it. I'm sure you're very, very excited about this.
Yeah, I'm a perfectionist, as you know, and that's why we had to get you guys to do it, because we know that you guys can work to standard that we expect.
Good, so let's jump into the van and show you exactly what's what. So as we open up the side door, we've actually got one base floor as well as a raised floor, which is really nice because you've got loads of storage compartment space above that, and we've also got the drawers below it. So inside these drawers, when they're pulled out, you've got so much space that you can actually put all your tools. I mean, what are you actually going to be using this current space for?
Probably this one will put cables in. I mean, these drawers look pretty sturdy, so we can fill it with cables, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, they're so versatile. I mean, you've got a lot of space here, but you've also got the non-slip flooring in there as well. In terms of on this top layer, you've also got the lashing points as well, which I know is quite important for you. And we've mixed them up in terms of layers so you can easily access and store stuff as well, which means everything is nice and tight in that storage area. But obviously, you've got a lot more space here as well. So we're going to now head over to the back of the vehicle and show you a lot more. So towards the back of the vehicle, we've got now a load more storage, but also a really useful array of different storage sizes and boxes. We've got 2 separate boxes down here, and one is actually slightly bigger and aligned, so you can actually access this when this door is closed, which is really nice. I mean, inside this drawer, again, you've got one on the side door that you've just seen, loads more storage space to put all sorts of different tools and stuff, and we'll move on to what you're going to actually be using that into in a second. But you've got toolboxes as well as all these little compartments live directly here, and we've got a little light here, which is all, if you haven't done so already, link is up here for the video, for the Artisan video, where they installed their own actual lighting in the back of their van. So this is how an auto electrician does it. So that's all live directly up there as well, but loads of storage space. But also one thing to note about Sortimo racking is it's like the Rolls-Royce of racking system. As you know, you've had it for a long time in previous vehicles, but it's all completely crash tested as well. So, I mean, this array was all configured by us two together to make this the most effective kind of way of racking out a van for you guys. So how are you actually going to put this to use on the job?
So we have standard jobs that we do a lot, and what we need is to be able to quickly access the various materials that we use over and over again. So like we do a lot of electric vehicle charging point installations, for example. So we've got certain glands, certain fixings that we're just going to use over and over again. And to be able to just have like one size clips in here, we just, you know, flip the box out, we can flip the little lid up, grab our clips, we can take this to site with us if we want, and then we can top it up when we need to from the wholesalers. It's just going to be an absolute game changer. Having these as well, all the little compartments, means that we can put all our little miscellaneous fixings and things that, you know, when you get stuck on a job and you're like, oh, I just need an M3.5 brass screw or something, yeah, you've got one in here, you know?
Exactly.
So that is a real awesome feature as well.
Exactly. Rather than returning back to site to get new things or going back to a wholesaler to grab something, you've got your own inventory here. Yeah. But another really nice thing, I know that you mentioned about these top boxes, you've actually got lids on them as well, because I think that's one of the things that obviously from previous experience, obviously driving along the road, UK roads aren't that smooth. Yeah. Obviously having that compartment at the top keeps everything in the tub and it makes it a lot more usable, keeps it all in one place. But obviously all the edges are all sealed and stuff as well. And one really nice thing that when we were doing the configuration, obviously on this false floor, you've got the gap down the side as well. So what were you planning on actually using down that gap?
So we use these long drill bits. We're well known for our angle drilling, so we use like 1.2 metre long drill bits.
Okay.
So those can go in there. We've got these super rods as well, which we use to fish cables in walls.
Yeah.
Those can go in there. So any like long items that you can just stash away in there, it's going to be perfect.
And that's actually accessible from the other side as well, so you can't get anything lost through there. However, this side, obviously, it goes into the corner of the van. So what we've actually done is block that off on the inside behind the false floor, so you can't lose things all the way down there. You can still access and reach through everything as well.
That's awesome.
So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. I'm sure you're over the moon with the finished product and the racking system that we've done in the Caddy. I mean, let me know your thoughts.
It's amazing. I love it. Yeah, you guys have smashed it once again, so thank you. Really appreciate all your hard work. I know it's been a few long nights getting them absolutely spot on, but we really appreciate it, and it's just going to be so great to have these workhorses on the road, smashing out loads of great work, and you'll probably see them on the channel as well. So we're going to do a video about this on our channel, so check that out if you're interested.
So yeah, what you guys at home, thank you very much for watching today's video. Make sure you have subscribed to the Jordan and Artisan Electrics channel. Link for that is in the description below, as well as subscribing to our channel. We look forward to seeing you all soon.